Hello everybody, and hi to my new subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? This is Madonna of Little Line Art. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own coloring page this springtime. Yes, believe in yourself that you can do it, and please keep on watching and let's get started. As usual, I'm going to use a marker and a couple of pens in this tutorial. First, I already come up with a theme. It will be a spring theme, and I'm working on a 8.5 by 11 paper. I'm going to do a lettering of spring here in the middle. I decided to just use my marker directly for drawing, and if you want to make it more neat or flawless, you can use pencil before going straight to drawing with pens or a marker. And then I'm going to add some back shadows to the letterings to make it 3D. You can opt for simpler writing if you wish. This way the letter doesn't appear too flat, and since it is in the middle, I want this area to pop or to be the center of attention. Okay, once I'm done, I'm going to use my uni pen and I'm going to design flowers and leaves inside the letters. I don't want to cover it with all flowers because I still want to cover some areas later with colors for backgrounds, and besides, the negative space is important too. So I'm just doodling here whatever ideas that I can think of for springs, like flowers, butterflies, bees, birds, rabbit, or snails. It's really sky's the limit. Design the area with different sizes of elements, big and small, to have variety, and use your imagination to come up with different styles. Be playful, and this is something that it can be very therapeutic too. And if you watch my previous posts of spring ideas, you can see that I pull out some of my elements from there too, like flowers, leaves, bees, and butterflies. And you don't have to be an artist to make this. Anyone can do it. Just make it simple and sweet. And the more flowers, the better, depending on your theme and how many you want to add. It is okay. You can even fill the whole page or leave some of the spaces around it. And if it didn't came out the way you wanted, have another piece of paper beside you. It's okay. The paper you are working on is important before you draw or decide to put any designs in there, if ever you wanted to color it right away. If you will digitize it before coloring it is fine. So I'm gonna speed this up, my coloring process, as I do not want you to be dizzy. I am most layering colors for now or mapping colors for now, and I'll add more colors layer because it's gonna look very light this time. So if you don't have markers or color pencils, you can definitely use crayons or any color supplies you have available there. Thank you for watching, and I hope I help you create a coloring page today. You can also use this idea for any seasons that you want. And if you make a coloring page with my tutorial, you can share it on Instagram or tag me so I can cheer you up. Thank you for all your support, and please subscribe for more flower drawing tutorials and tips. And I'll see you again in the next video. Happy drawing and happy spring, everyone!